Hello and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today we are taking a look at the threaded inserts from Osborne. Threaded inserts are a great option for attaching furniture feet and table legs when using hanger bolts. Osborne threaded inserts are part 815 and are available in a set of 1 or 4. These inserts feature a 1/2 inch diameter and 5/16 thread pitch. Installation is simple and requires a countersunk hole the same diameter of the insert. When drilling, it is important to ensure the insert is installed slightly deeper than the top of your mounting surface to avoid interference with your foot or leg. We also offer hanger bolt installation services to make assembly easy. When chosen, your furniture foot or leg will be shipped with a hanger bolt installed and ready to be screwed into the threaded insert. For more information on threaded inserts from Osborne or our custom hardware services, be sure to check out the links below. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.